Okay, back again on Daily Repairs. Today we've got an Xbox One X, One S. It's no power, it's not powering on, it's not powering on. I've put in my power there, nothing is coming in. And let me just put my meter in perspective and switch it on. I can quickly show you here. Okay, this is my wires, the live and neutral. Coming in there, check there. You can see there I've got 240 and this thing is not powering on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up and see what's up with it. So I just took a few videos, watched a few YouTube videos on how to open this, because I've actually never opened one of these as old as they are. But I'm also pretty young, so maybe by then I wasn't much into repairing. So they say there's a few clamps, so I removed the seal there. They say the top cover has clamps. They say the top cover has clamps, so I'm just going around prying the clamps off. The repair video from iFixit says a plastic tool won't be enough. Sometimes they're too tight, so that's why I'm using a flathead screwdriver. But this one, maybe, I think it was opened before, because I was able to pry them quite easily. You can see there, done. So they say after removing this top cover, you will encounter some screws. Okay, so I have to remove these screws, remove the metal base plate there. So let me just look for this type of screwdriver so that I open. Okay, so this is it. I have removed, oh, this is not for here. Let me just remove it. Okay, so this is the Xbox. I've opened it up. I've removed the power supply of it. This is the casing of it. It was in this casing. This is the casing. I skipped the opening part because it was a pretty straightforward, and many people have made that video. So I just quickly went straight to this. This is the specs of it. The output of this is written in Chinese. So output there's English. Output 12 volts, 10 amps, very high amperage. So the issue with it was here. I've already seen, you see here these two pins, 1, 2. There was a mauve here. I've just broken it off. This is the mauve. It was bent. The mauve here was bent, so I've just removed it. I'm just gonna replace it. But if the mauve is bent, obviously the fuse is bent. The mauve can't burn without burning the fuse. It's a 5 amp fuse. So I've tested for shorts. I've tested for shorts everywhere else. On the bridge and on the MOSFET there's no shorts. So if there's no shorts, then I'm gonna exchange the fuse and put a mauve, and this thing should light up nicely after that. Okay, so this is the Xbox. Now I think it's fixed, but you still have to replace the mauve. But for testing, I just put it out the mauve. Hopefully no voltage spike will okay now and damage it. But you can see there, check the output on the meter. That's saying what? 12. Saying 12 volts. Check the meter there. It's saying 12 volts. 12 volts. You can see there. So the output is there, it's 12 volts. And this thing is rated at, it's supposed to output 10 amps. So it's outputting 12. It's supposed to output 10 amps. Look at there. Check there. 12 volts, 10 amps. So that's 12 volts. Oh, it's 12 volts. That's fine. I was confusing the amps and the voltage. I was measuring voltage here. So that's 12 volts. That's right on point. Right on point. 12 volts. Yeah. So that's good. So what you still have to do here is we have to replace the mauve. I just removed it. so just gonna need to replace it. And the other thing that I did, there was a resistor here. Let me just take it off the plug so that I show you. Okay, I've taken it off the plug. It's the plug. So let me just quickly show you what I was talking about. I also had to replace a small resistor there. So this resistor, it was a 0.062 ohm resistor, but I couldn't find it, so I put a 0.050. It's close enough. I think it's close enough. It's connecting from the positive supply of the cap to the MOSFETs there, to the MOSFET, which actually switches the transformer. So without it, it was a good thing that it got damaged, because probably it saved the MOSFETs, because by it burning, it cut the power to the MOSFETs, as there was nothing there, and the MOV off also that is in the same place. So that's good. Okay, so this is the Xbox. You can see it's on now. It is on.